Stock head unit, stock mids and highs.
Very nice.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is Daniel, by T Megahertz. I have two DDX 12s, wide down to 1 ohm on a Wolfram 2400. I have an Autotech 270 under the hood and a stock battery, stock head unit, stock mids and highs.
Very nice.
Box is 3.9 cubes after the subs went in, 4.3 before the subs go in, tuned to 32.
32, okay.
It did a 37.2, less than 1,000 watts at 38 hertz.
Awesome. All right. Are you planning to seal it off eventually around the box?
I'm eventually about to do a wall actually with two 15s.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Awesome. Play anything?
Play what you know is loud.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Thanks for showing me, man.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you sitting in.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Daniel.
Daniel. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, man.
You too. Very nice.
Appreciate
And you still got your back seat, but it's
Yeah.
louder with it up, I'm assuming.
Yeah, louder down, yeah. That rear deck's actually right by the towel back there. If I didn't have that towel back there, it'd be all flapping around. And
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Every little bit helps.
oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, man. All right, you have a good day.
You too now.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.